Okay, we here at Omega Mart,
Do you have reception?
and that's what it is.
No, I didn't have reception.
So, right here?
Yeah.
I want some of this tattooed chicken. I need that.
Magic steak cakes. It's jelly. Basura and la gelatina de carne.
They say everything's edible. Some of this stuff don't look edible. This place is cool. Let's walk through because I definitely want to buy stuff. Okay, the tattooed chicken. Can I buy one?
Unfortunately, no, we cannot. I had a few people ask today, and yeah, with a lot of like our display stuff, like all of our meat section and everything, nobody's allowed to buy because they're just like actual displays. So sorry about that. But if you guys do see anything like anything that's like able to pick up or like has tags under it, that's actually pretty cool. But yeah, sorry about that. Chicken farm.
You went to the whole place already?
ADHD
Not the whole place. Yeah. I went to the freezer.
What the fuck is this? Hey. What is this? What is this?
Oh, baby. Can't bring your card up.
Can't bring the card up. This is weird, guys.
Is this it? Is this the secret stuff?
God.
This spot crazy. There's so many things added on to this spot.
Look at this. Oh my
This
God.
spot crazy, bro. I just walked through a freezer.
I saw that. I ain't get over there.
This is crazy. Does it ever end?
Aha. Ever in?
Look at these guys.
Oh,
Hey guys.
Yeah.
shit. Oh, serious. I was like a knee apartment for a second.
Hey, I'm finna get in the gym over there.
Got to.
I'm telling you.
Oh, hi.
Where did we just enter?
You guys just traveled to a portal.
So we just traveled through a portal.
Oh shit.
Look at this. It's a whole bunch of shit, y'all.
Y'all.
See, I didn't come up here, but this shit look crazy, don't it?
Yo, we didn't just wait. This is bigger than I thought.
Right.
So we are gonna be here for a while. Look at this. I'm going live on YouTube right now, man. Fuck that.
I was making a video.
Turn your Wi-Fi off.
It didn't work for me.
That's disrespectful. I do not want them on my. I'm not gonna share my. What's it called?
They have Wi-Fi?
What's it called?
Turn your Wi-Fi off. Off?
Got it.
Get out of there. Now go back. Do you have Bluetooth on?
Bluetooth?
Turn all that stuff off. Just your data.
All right, we got to do better, y'all, because you saw the whole first.
I want to take y'all around, but I'm about to get off of here because I need to see what's going on.
Let's go this way and look at the other
I'll catch y'all back
and
up
then
in a
come
minute.
back.